Good morning, everyone. How are you all? We have got the Fool card and Seven of Wands today. Do you like surprises? Yes. Universe has some for you. So be ready, be prepare yourself and open up your boundaries. Don't be caged. Be brave, be adventurous. कोई एडवेंचर ट्रिप पे जाइए, कोई अच्छी सी हाइकिंग पे जाइए, कोई ट्रैक पे जाइए. लाइफ हैज़ something beautiful to give you and it's waiting for you to come. So don't miss this chance. Uh, Try to go with a friend, try to go with someone जिसके साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग बहुत अच्छी है. Make sure you are taking care of your limbs, the lower limbs, so be prepared for that as well. And don't worry, your guiding angels, your fairy angels are protecting you. You are being seen, you are being heard. So good luck and keep growing.